Let me explain to you what to do if you hear a squeaking noise from the brakes after receiving your new vehicle. When you hear that squeaking sound, how do you adjust it? The left hand controls the rear brake, and the right hand controls the front brake. Also, since our brakes use a dual pump system, it's possible that during shipping, pressure could cause the dual pumps to become uneven. In that case, we need to adjust the balance of the dual pumps. For the front brake, loosen this screw, the one where I'm pointing my finger, and also this screw. Loosen these two screws just enough to create a slight gap, like a trapezoid shape. You don't need to loosen them too much, just 3 or 4 turns is enough. After loosening them, keep it in a state where it can still move. Then, put your 4 fingers between it and the wheel and grab the whole thing. This is called the caliper. Just hold on to the entire caliper with your thumb resting on the silver screw. While holding it, squeeze the right brake lever about 6 or 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After you've squeezed it 7 times, let go with your hand. Don't hold on to it anymore. Then, at this point, squeeze the brake again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the last one, squeeze it all the way down and hold it. Don't let go. Tighten the 2 screws you just loosened back up. Alright, the front wheel's done now. The principle for the rear wheel is basically the same. For the rear wheel, loosen this screw and this one. Loosen these 2 screws by about 3 to 4 turns. When you pull it, keep your 4 fingers inside and place your thumb in this position, pulling firmly. Then squeeze the left brake. The action's the same, so I won't repeat it.